How to post your own music on Instagram. Here's a step-by-step guide. To begin with, open the Instagram app on your phone and log into your account if you haven't already. Next, tap on the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen to create a new post. Then select the video that you want to upload. Make sure your own music is already included in that video, as Instagram doesn't offer a built-in feature to directly upload the personal audio. Then hit next. Here you can edit the video if you want. Once the video is ready, tap next to proceed. After that, you will land on the caption screen. Here write your caption. Additionally, you can choose whether to tag people or add a location. Finally, hit share. And your post will go live with your music. There you go. You have successfully added your own music on Instagram.